Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties YouTube channel. Today we're going to bring to you an apartment complex which is on an area of more than 24 acres and has got 1284 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. These are beautiful apartments very conveniently located on Sarjapur Road, and apart from being a 24-acre land, it's based on the Rajasthan theme style, and it basically says live in Rajasthan and work in Bangalore. And we're going to show you a 3 and a 4 BHK apartment in this. Let's walk into the apartments and I'll show you how they look like. The apartment that I'm going to show you is a 4-bedroom apartment with 2,232 square feet area. The 4-bedroom apartment comes with a video doorbell. And that's the main entrance. As we enter into a small entrance foyer, which is connected to the living area. That's the living area, connected to a balcony. And towards the right is the dining, and behind the dining we have a kitchen. Then we have 4 bedrooms down there. Now let me walk you down and show you the living area and the balcony. Now that's the living area from the other end of the apartment. That's where we entered from. And then the small entrance foyer and then the living area. Now I'll take you to the dining. The dining is neatly placed between the living area and the kitchen. And that's where the bedrooms are, which I'll take you in a little while. Now let me walk you into the dining. Into the kitchen. That's the kitchen. The kitchen is connected to a utility area. That's the utility area. Decent size. Here's your washing sink. Then you could have your washing machine there, and then right there is the maid's room with an attached toilet. That's the maid's room with an attached toilet. That's how the living and dining looks from the kitchen. As you could see, there's the living and dining area has got engineered marble. Now we'll walk you into the bedroom. There are 4 bedrooms down here. Towards the left is the first bedroom. This bedroom has got vitrified tiles and a huge window. That's bedroom number 1. This bedroom does not have an attached toilet or a bath. And once you come out of the bedroom, and to the left again is a common toilet and a wash. This apartment comes with sensored light sensors. And also they have a small puja room or a prayer room. And in front of the puja room on the opposite side is the second bedroom. The bedroom is similar to the first one with a huge window, and this bedroom also do not have an attached toilet or a bath. Now we walk you into the third bedroom. That's how the third bedroom looks and feel like. Decent sized bedroom, and this bedroom is attached with a toilet and a bath. That's in space for wardrobe. Walk you into the master bed, the fourth bedroom. The master bed is a little bigger when compared to the other three bedrooms, and this, as you could see, these are not wooden panels, these are wooden field tiles. They look like wood, but they are actually tiles, and that's how your master bed looks like. This master bed has got a balcony to the left, and to the right is the walk-in wardrobe closet with an attached toilet. Let me walk you down there and show it to you. That's where your wardrobe is going to come, and to the right of it is your toilet and the bath. This is how your bedroom looks from this end. And that's the balcony that the room has. With this, we come to an end of today's video. Do like, subscribe and share it with your friends if you like the videos. And also, if you want to know more about the property, do drop in your details and or contact on the number given below. Thank you.